This is a brand new 2013 BMW X6. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, comfort access, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, xDrive, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.